Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak fries in an air fryer. First, cut your potatoes into thick, uniform strips, about 1/2 inch thick. Soaking them in cold water for about 30 minutes helps remove excess starch, ensuring a crispier fry. After soaking, it's crucial to pat them completely dry. This step is key for achieving that perfect golden brown exterior in your air fryer. Once dry, toss your potato strips with 1 tablespoon of oil and your preferred seasonings. Think salt, pepper, garlic powder, or paprika for a delicious flavor. Place them in your air fryer basket in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd. This allows the hot air to circulate properly. Cook at 375 degrees F for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through for even crisping. To get that extra crispy exterior, you can increase the temperature to 400 degrees F for the last 3 to 5 minutes of cooking. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning. Your steak fries should be beautifully golden brown on the outside and wonderfully tender on the inside. Remember, try not to open the air fryer too often, as this can cause the temperature to drop and affect the crisping process. Once your steak fries are perfectly cooked, serve them immediately while they're hot and crispy. They pair wonderfully with a variety of dipping sauces. Classic ketchup is always a hit, but consider a creamy aioli or a zesty spicy mayo for an extra kick. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives can also add a lovely touch of color and freshness. Enjoy your homemade air fryer steak fries.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.